What's up guys, welcome back to my video, and today we're doing, this is our part 2 of fixing the track on the excavator. So let's get into it. So right now we're just gonna take out the grease so we can push that in more so we can put the track on, and then we're just gonna be waiting for the grease, which my dad's gonna get. So yeah. And we 60-pound toolbox I have. Everett, my uncle gave me. It's not the right fit. Huh. Weird. Got it? Oh yeah. Alright.
I'll clean it.
Alright.
Now we're gonna try and pry that in there.
Okay. Do I need to do something?
We just do it over here.
Oh, okay.
Try and move it in.
Alright. Like this one?
You'll have to move it back down.
Yeah. What do I...
There's something behind here to try on.
We did it. Well, I did it, but yeah, going on. All we need to do is just pump.
Just get it on.
We just gotta pump, get the grease gun, which my dad's getting. But yeah, look at all that. That's crazy. That's crazy. Well, we got it. Grease. Yeah. We got it. I wonder why it's leaking grease though.
That just might have been the smoke we were working at.
Oh, maybe. Well, we should tighten.
Don't go far now because it will come off real easy now.
Yeah. Can I? What? What bolt?
One I sent up with you.
Oh, it's up there. Alright. I got it.
Where you said it, eh?
Yeah. That's weird. Can I set it down? Or no? Okay. Okay. What?
We can go in the garage and see if we can find a piece cut.
Okay. All right. I think that's the end of the video. But if you like that video, make sure you like and subscribe. See you in the next one.